We also quite often use these in preliminary bat roost assessments, which many ecologists will be involved in. And this gives us a really good overview of the buildings. We can look at the rooftops to see areas that we would not have necessarily been able to see. And especially when projects involve large complex buildings with multiple features and several roosts, communicating this information to the client or the construction team and statutory agencies can be challenging on two-dimensional maps and so on. So again, 3D models can be super useful for communicating this information, and the process allows us to access these inaccessible areas. So it's very useful for kind of complex buildings in bat assessments.